You ever notice how sometimes life just drops you in places where you don't understand what's going on? Like you're sitting there thinking, God, why? Why me? Why now? Why this? That's where Job was. Job had lost everything: family, health, wealth. He didn't do anything wrong, but life still crushed him. And the whole time, he's asking questions, trying to make sense of it. He wanted answers. He wanted God to explain. And then, God shows up, but not the way Job expected. Job 38 verse 1 says, "Then the Lord answered Job out of the whirlwind." Think about that. God didn't whisper. God didn't send an angel. God spoke from a whirlwind, a storm. Right there, Job knew, this is bigger than me. And what did God do? Did he sit Job down and give him a neat little explanation? Instead, he started asking Job questions, hard ones. Like in verse 4, God says, "Where were you when I laid the foundations of the earth? Tell me if you understand." Boom. That's humbling. God is basically saying, Job, I know you're hurting. I know you've got questions. But before you question me, let me remind you who I am. And then God goes in. He talks about the oceans. Who shut up the sea with doors when it burst out from the womb? He talks about the morning. Have you ever commanded the morning since your days began? He talks about the stars, the constellations, the weather, the animals. It's like God is painting a giant picture. I created everything you see. I hold it all together. Do you think I can't handle your life too? Here's what's wild. Job wanted answers, but God gave him himself. He didn't explain why. He revealed who. And that's a word for us. Because honestly, most of the time, even if God explained the why, we still wouldn't get it. It's too big for us. But when we see who he is, the Almighty, the All-Knowing, the Creator, we realize we can trust him even without the answers. Let's be real. Sometimes we act like Job. We get upset. We think God owes us something. We want explanations, timelines, details. But God reminds us, I'm the one who put the stars in place. I'm the one who tells the sea how far it can go. I'm the one who feeds the lions in the night. I'm the one who controls lightning and rain. You don't see it all, but I do. So here's the message. God's omnipotence, his all-power, isn't just about flexing on us. It's not God trying to scare Job. It's God saying, look, I'm in charge. I know what I'm doing. Trust me. Think about how freeing that is. If God can keep the universe running, if he can feed the birds, if he can tell the sun when to rise, then he can carry you through your storm. You don't have to have all the answers. You just have to know the one who does. So maybe right now you're in a storm like Job. Maybe you're broken, confused, and you don't get it. Let me tell you something. The God who spoke from the whirlwind still speaks today. He hasn't lost control. He hasn't forgotten you. He is still the Almighty God. That's the God of Job 38. Not small, not weak, not silent, but powerful, mighty, and present. And if he revealed his strength to Job, he can reveal it in your life too. So today, instead of asking why, maybe we should ask who. Who is with me? Who is holding me? Who is in control? And the answer is clear. The Lord Almighty, the creator of heaven and earth, the God who speaks through the whirlwind. Trust him. He's bigger than your questions. And his power is enough for your life.